To schedule a message, begin by filtering your audience. You'll need to choose your facility, your resident and staff contacts, and then any units, floors, or rooms you need. You'll now notice under message options, schedule a job. When you click the slider, a drop-down appears. There are two ways you can schedule a job. The first is time-lapse. This lets you choose the specific number of hours or days in the future you wish to schedule your message. Once you've made your selection of how far in advance you'd like the message to be scheduled for, click apply. The second way to schedule a message is to choose a specific day and time. This allows you to choose from a calendar the specific date you want the message to go out on. It can be as simple as the next day or 6 months from now. There's really no restriction on times. Choose your date and click close. You'll then want to select your time. There is a difference between AM and PM. If you accidentally were to schedule something for 3:30 in the morning, our blackout feature would kick in. That means no messages go out between 10 p.m. and 9 a.m. local time. So in this instance, this message would go out at 9 a.m. the next morning. When you're happy with your time, click OK. You can now click apply once you've filtered your audience as you want. And you'll now notice that rather than send in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see schedule. When you click schedule, a message confirmation will appear. It will show you the exact date and time you have scheduled your message for. Click schedule, and another confirmation will pop up letting you know your message has been scheduled.